The Taxi Driver by K. S. Duggal. The Taxi Driver. The Taxi Driver was written by Kartar Singh Duggal, a prolific Indian writer. Story is based upon a poor former wealthy taxi driver. Highlights the themes of poverty, integrity and family conflict after partition. Summary. K. S. Duggal's short story, The Taxi Driver, presents a serious moral problem through the life of an ordinary man named Dittu. The story is set in post-partition India. It shows the struggle of a middle-class family living in poverty. At the same time, it shows their fight to keep moral values and self-respect. The story is not only about a lost wallet. It is about conscience, fear, poverty, and human weakness. It also shows how a husband and a wife see life in different ways. Dittu was once called Hardeep Singh. He belonged to a rich family in Pakistan. After the partition of India in 1947, his life changed completely. He had to leave his home and come to India. There he became a taxi driver. He now lived a hard and poor life. This sudden fall from wealth to poverty deeply affected him. Yet, he remained honest and strict in his morals. His strong sense of right and wrong is the center of the story. One day, Dittu finds a wallet in his taxi. A passenger has left it behind. The wallet contains a lot of money. Instead of feeling happy, Dittu feels uneasy. The money becomes a test for him. It tempts him. But he believes that money gained without effort brings trouble. He feels that the wallet does not belong to him. He fears that keeping it will bring bad luck. This fear comes from an old experience in his youth. When he lived in Pakistan, he once saw a parcel lying on the road. He thought someone had dropped it. He picked it up and went to a quiet place to open it. Inside, there was only packing paper. It was a trick by shopkeepers to test people's honesty. Dittu felt deeply ashamed. Soon after that, the partition forced him to leave his home. From that time, he became very careful about other people's property. He believes that dishonesty leads to suffering. He even connects his wife Bunty's skin disease, called leukoderma, with such wrong actions. He thinks she got it by wearing clothes that belonged to someone else. This shows how deeply superstition and fear control his mind. Bunty is very different from Dittu. She is practical and worried about her family. They are poor and have children to feed. She sees the wallet as a gift of fate. She thinks the owner was careless. She also feels that such people do not earn their money honestly. She believes they should use the money to improve their lives. For her, survival is more important than strict moral rules. Her sense of right and wrong is shaped by daily need. The conflict between husband and wife becomes very strong that night. Dittu feels restless and afraid. He dreams of a terrible accident. This shows his inner guilt and fear. When he wakes up, he sees Bunty sleeping with the wallet near her. He becomes frightened. He thinks something bad will happen if they keep it. He tries to take it back. This leads to a fight. In anger and fear, he hits Bunty. He is shocked by his own action. It goes against his beliefs. This moment shows how deeply the situation has disturbed him. The story ends in a quiet but painful way. Bunty is seen counting the money. She shows it to their son. The boy asks why his father hit her. Bunty replies that it is normal for a husband to beat his wife. This simple line is very disturbing. It shows how violence against women is accepted in society. It also shows the helplessness of many women. The story does not clearly say who is right. It leaves the reader to decide. Dittu stands for strict honesty. Bunty stands for survival and practicality. Both are trapped by poverty and fear. The Taxi Driver is a powerful story about moral conflict. It shows how poverty tests human values. It shows how past pain controls present actions. Dittu is shaped by memory and conscience. Bunty is shaped by daily struggle. The story also criticizes social problems like gender inequality and domestic violence. It gives a true picture of the silent suffering of ordinary people. Through this simple story, Duggal shows the deep struggle between right and wrong in human life. For more videos, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.